The day has arrived, the maker's mark. Unfortunately, I wasn't here to receive it before we closed at the end of last year, but the day has come. This is a very special painting, which is, the history goes, Jerry Cave, a very dear friend of mine, who was the first representative that we had at Rockford Fosgate back in the 90s, painted this. He was commissioned by Rockford Corporation to make these beautiful, beautiful, I've seen pictures of it, but I haven't seen the actual picture. This was sent to me from Rockford Corporation. Thank you guys. I don't think I have to express what this means. And more importantly, I have the correct blade to open it with, the Rockford Fosgate box cutter. So here goes. And what's in here is a print of very few that were given to, from what I understand, very specific dealers. I was supposed to receive it in SEMA, but I couldn't get across there for personal reasons. But nonetheless, the opportunities are out for me to express my gratitude. So let's just open it very carefully. Imagine if I cut through the painting. Oh my God, that would be a disaster. In fact, I think it seals this side.
Yeah.
Okay, so clearly I'm not a good unboxer, but here goes. Okay, seal is broken, and I'm going to see this amazing piece of art. I mean, the picture of the picture is just insane. In the room, I've got Aldo to my left, I've got Carl doing the filming, and here comes, get the knife out the way. Look at that protection. It's got double cardboard, it's got a piece of masonite at the back. Flip it over, and there's a letter. This is it's obviously got a certificate of authenticity. So I've got to open this very carefully. Let me get the blade out. I'm so excited, I want to just rip it open, but I don't want to rip it open. Here we go. Power Neat number 14. So this is obviously the authentication. There's Jerry Cave's business card, which is, I mean, his workmanship is incredible. Number 14 of 200, there you go. Limited edition, signed by Jerry Cave in person. Unbelievable. I mean, that is, yeah, the story behind the story, I can't express it. My dedication to Rockford. 31 years this year.
Yeah.
And to my dear friend Jerry Cave. He has a bit of it's a background story about his prints, and I know how these are done. These prints are done, and I've seen his original pictures. They are done to the exact, absolute detail. You cannot tell them apart. Even the texture of the paper is just insane. It's just next level. And Jerry is so proud. And I'm so proud of just being, and I mean, truly, he is fortunately we're distanced by the ocean, but if we weren't, I mean, he's truly, and I'm going to say this, my very best friend. Right, I think I'm going to reveal this. Oh my goodness, this is packaged so well. So they've got a protective layer. I'm going to cut this carefully. It's like opening something that you don't want to. Imagine if I cut through this, I would never forgive myself. Here we go. Look at that. Come take a close up. The texture is just like an original. You would never know. The history behind this, I mean, the detail, the reflection on the glass. Jerry explained to me about that neon light, which has so much significance to the brand's history, and we have one of those. Although it's not red, it's a white one, but it still functions. I mean, that is insane. I'm so proud. I can't say how proud I am to receive this. Words will never express it. I think my emotions speak for themselves. Having received this, thank you Rockford Fosgate, and thank you Jerry. Two very important things in my world. Thank you again, I really appreciate it. Rockford Fosgate, forever. Cheers.